Hello everyone and welcome to Craft Drawer. With fall in full swing, what better way to celebrate the season than by crocheting your own pumpkins? In today's video, I'm going to show you some ideas on how to crochet these cute little pumpkins and share some creative ways to decorate your home with them. These adorable little gourds are perfect for decorating your home, adding a touch of handmade charm to your fall decor. Whether you're new to crochet or a seasoned crafter, crochet pumpkins are a fun, simple project that can be customized in size, color, and texture. Here's how you can make your own, plus creative ideas for how to use them in your home. Materials you will need in order to crochet a pumpkin. Medium weight yarn in your favorite fall colors. A crochet hook, size G or H. Some polyfill for stuffing. A tapestry needle. Scissors. And, for that final touch, a stick or cinnamon stick for the pumpkin stem. If you are looking for a pattern, check out my website link for some ideas. You can also locate some of my favorite crochet pumpkin patterns through the links below. These patterns include stackable pumpkins, pumpkins in different colors, sizes, and yarn weight. You can even crochet pumpkin wreaths, leaves for pumpkins, and pumpkin garland. For decorating with crochet pumpkins, here are a few ideas for you to try. First, create a stunning centerpiece for your table by placing different-sized pumpkins in a decorative bowl or basket, mixed with faux leaves and pine cones. You can also scatter pumpkins around your home on shelves, coffee tables, and mantels to add pops of cozy color throughout. For a personal touch at your next dinner party, use mini crochet pumpkins as place settings. Just add a name tag to the stem, and your guests will love the handmade detail. Another idea is to string several small pumpkins together to make a garland. Drape it over your mantel or window for a fun and festive look. Create a stunning fall display by mixing your crochet pumpkins with faux florals. Use a glass hurricane vase or wooden box, and add dried flowers, wheat stalks, or twigs along with your pumpkins for a rustic look that feels like autumn indoors. The best part about crochet pumpkins is that they're totally customizable. Try experimenting with different yarn textures like velvet or chunky yarn, and don't be afraid to mix up the colors. You can also add cute embellishments like buttons, bows, or even a little embroidery. Crochet pumpkins are highly customizable. Try these ideas. Play with textures. Use different yarn textures like velvet, chunky, or variegated yarn to give your pumpkins a unique look. Add embellishments, sew on buttons, embroider designs, or add bows and twine to the stems for extra detail. Make them scented. Add a few drops of cinnamon or pumpkin spice essential oil to your stuffing for a delicious fall scent. Crocheting pumpkins is a simple and enjoyable way to embrace fall crafting. With endless ways to personalize and display them, your home will feel cozy and ready for the season in no time. Grab your crochet hook and start creating your own pumpkin patch today. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this crochet pumpkin tutorial and got inspired to decorate your home for fall. Be sure to like and subscribe for more crafty ideas, and I'd love to see your finished pumpkins.